Hello traders, and welcome to the Forex Market Open May 14th, 2014. Welcome to a bright sunny day and a great trading day ahead, traders. This is brought to you through tradingwithbill.com. And yes, traders, I am Bill. There I am. Alright traders, let me just tell you a little bit about myself. I've been trading since 2006, and in 2008 I retired from a great career in the fire rescue department out of West Palm Beach, Florida. And after I retired, traders, I decided to go on a vacation to Thailand, and traders, I never went back. I'm still in Thailand in 2014, and I've been trading full-time since then in the Forex markets. Forex is a great opportunity and a great career. It takes patience and lots of perseverance. So that's a little bit about myself, and I urge you to go to my website with tradingwithbill.com and take a look at some of the things we have to offer and some tools for your trading adventures. And trading is an adventure, traders. It definitely is an adventure. Okay, so let's go over and take a look at the news events. But before we do that, let's take a look at our risk disclaimer today. Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets or any other instrument you might be trading. Traders, please do not trade money you cannot afford to lose. If you're trading your rent or mortgage, sit back and think it over. Maybe there's a better solution to that, like going to a demo account until you can trade comfortably in the Forex markets with your financial situation. Traders, at tradingwithbill.com, for you, we have a complimentary live trading room brought to you every day. The room opens about 45 minutes before the London Open, and you never have to trade alone again. I did trade alone for some time, not very long, I have to be honest. I was in a trading room pretty much as soon as I started Forex trading, but I did trade alone for a little bit, and it is a bummer. Make trading enjoyable every day, and come and join us. We have a great bunch of traders in the room and a lot of fun. So come join me at www.tradingwithbill.com and hope to see you all there. All right, traders, let's get to the news. May 14th news events. Out of the UK, we have claimant count change, and also out of the UK, we have Bank of England Governor Carney speaks. Also, we have the Bank of England inflation report, all coming out during the London session. In the New York session today, we have PPI month on month. Traders, this is all high impact news events, so please make note of them and stick them on your desk or your trading station so you can be aware and protect yourself if you are in any of those trades that need to be protected. All right, traders, you know what? I think maybe we should take a look at the charts. So let's move on and get to the charts. All right, traders, this is the Euro Aussie, and as you know, the Euro Aussie took a large dump to the downside, as the euro is extremely weak after ECB President Draghi made his extremely dovish statements last Thursday. So the euro is weak, and basically if you took a basket of euro pairs yesterday, you did very well because they all dumped in the second half of the morning trade during the London session. So this is the 1 hour chart. We're looking for a pullback. I'm bringing this to you about an hour and a half before the London Open. So we're looking for this to pull back, and we're going to basically look for a bearish candlestick formation, and we'll take this down. You can see where the red diamond is above the fib for a stop loss, and you can see where our little blue dot is for a take profit. So we want this to pull back to the fib, and then we're going to basically take that down and enjoy the ride. Traders, if you don't want to trade on a 1 hour chart, let's go over and take a look at the Euro Aussie on a 15-minute chart. And this is the 15-minute chart, and basically we're going to do the same thing as we're doing on the hourly chart. We're going to wait for that pullback. You can see I have at The daily pivot point is where you would place your stop, and hopefully this is going to come back up to the fib. You can see I have it shadowed in a rectangular box, and we want it to come up to that box. Today we're being pretty specific on where we want price to come. Any of the other fibs is not acceptable. Why? Because you have a good possibility that you're not going to get out of the trade or to break even. So we need this to pull way back up. So when we get back down to a support level, we'll be safe in the trade and be able to get out of the trade comfortably. So we're pretty specific on where we want price to come back to. If it doesn't come back, we're going to pass on the trade. There's no reason to take any risks more than we have to. And this one is going to be a sit on your hands trade until we get our entry. It's not an area this time. Well, it is an area in the rectangle, but it's got to be in the rectangle. And we'd like to see that come up as much as we can, and then we can dump it. I wouldn't mind if it came right up to the daily pivot point and we shorted it from there, because right above that we have the 200 exponential moving average. So we have a confluence area. We've got a lot of resistance there. That would be a great place to take the short. So if it pulls back up to that, that's great. That's even a better entry for us. And our take profit remains the same. All right, let's take a look at the trifecta. And I just wanted to show you this. I did not have a daily chart up today on this pair, but it is on the trifecta. And I wanted to show you how much the 200 exponential moving average, that green line on my chart, how for the last 3 trading days that have completed is below the 200 exponential moving average. I am extremely bearish on this, and we're going to maintain that. And I would think that the euro is going to stay weak until they make a move at the next BOE meeting in June, as was stated by ECB President Draghi. All right, so let's move on to our next pair. The New Zealand yen. What a nice looking pair this is. Take a look at this nice stair step, nice bullish market on the daily chart. Look at that 200 exponential moving average straight up, really, really nice, really bullish. So we're just going to maintain that bias, and let's go to the 1 hour chart. This is the 1 hour chart. I did a fib of the swing, and you can see where I did that. And I am looking to take this to the long side, but we need a pullback. I would really like to see it pull back to the 200 exponential moving average, again being the green line on my chart. Or I would like to see it come all the way back down to where you can see where I have a nice entry. And I would like to take that there and take the long entry there. This is going to be a tricky trade because we needed to pull back, guys or girls, as we are at resistance now. You know, we're coming into that resistance area, so we need to pull back enough pips so we can get to break even and protect our risk. So this is going to be a task here, and you know, I have it on the bottom of the chart, very tricky, and it is going to be, and you're going to have to sit with it and watch it to get that entry. The entry is going to be key in this New Zealand yen. I do think that this is going to work. It's going to take time. I just don't know if we're going to get it today. I would think so, but let's see what happens. Let's go over to the 15-minute chart. So here's our 15-minute chart. Again, same thing. We're going to look for I do like the 15-minute chart setup better than the hourly chart, by the way. But look at this nice pullback. We're going to take this pullback right back to the daily pivot point. What's right below it? The 200 exponential moving average. So we have nice support areas there. Let it pull back to there. We have a good entry at that point at 88.22, and we'll just take that to the long side, and you can see where the blue circle is for our take profit area, and we'll take that basically where price is now, and we'll take that to the upside and take our profits there. But we need the pullback. We're going to need the pullback, get a little bit of rubber band action there, and we can get some momentum in this thing and take it to the long side. It is bullish, and we need to stay on that thought process. All right. Traders, I'd like to thank you for joining me for another Forex Market Open. And it's been great And traders, I will get back to you again tomorrow for another video as we analyze and give commentary on the trading day ahead. Before I leave, let's take a quick look. I just happened to glance over at the indices for today. Let's go over them really quick. The S&P futures is up 0.13%. The NASDAQ futures is up 0.15%. The Dow 30 is up 0.12%. The DAX is up 0.54%. And the FTSE 100 is up 0.31%, with the Nikkei 225 down 0.30% as the Nikkei is getting ready to close in the next 2 hours, and the dollar index, traders, is down 0.11%. So that gives you a quick preview of the indices. Traders, remember, trade safe and trade smart. Till next time, traders, thanks again, and come join me at tradingwithbill.com. Hope to see you in our live trading room. Take care, and bye-bye.